Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Indian Express Newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 8, 2022 hard Sudoku. 6th row and 7th row, column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 5th row, 7th row, we have 5. Column G also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th grade. Column D, we have pair numbers 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 5. Third also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 5, 9. Column D, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then only one number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. 9th grade and 8th grade. We have 5. Column D also we have 5. Column C also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 8th grade. Column C, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, third row, column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 7th row, 5 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 6, 8, 9. Column D, we have 1, 6, 8, 9. That 4 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 4 cells. Then only one number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, 4 numbers are remaining 1, 6, 8, 9. Column H, we already have 8, 9, 6. That 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 4, 7. Third row, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then only one number is remaining 3. Sorry, 4. Then only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column J we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 2. 7th grade we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 7th grade 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column J we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 6th grade 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 3rd row we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 4th row we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 3rd row 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column G we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 2nd row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column C 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 2nd grade 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 1st grade we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 2nd row only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column D we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 5th row 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column F we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 7th row we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 7th row only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column B only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.